Assalamu alaikum and greetings to all of you. I pray that all of you are doing well. In my previous video, I spoke about sale. What is sale? How to manage ourselves when we see that red sign of sale, and how to shop smartly. Today, I'm going to talk about shopping in general. So, there are so many beautiful things out there. Every time we go out, we go to any mall, we pass by any shop, we are strolling around in a bazaar and we look at things. Everything is so beautiful that you want to bring each and every item to your house. Now, what happens is that when we start collecting a lot of things, they clutter the house. The home becomes actually more of an exhibition. So I have been through this personally. This is why I'm sharing it with you. When I moved from Pakistan to Turkey, at that time it was so difficult for me to dispose of a lot of items. There were so many items of crockery that I had never even used. So many utensils that I had never even touched. So many clothes that still had the tags on, and I'm not proud of it at all. Not at all. I'm actually embarrassed that I collected so many things which I did not even use. So what is the point of spending so much money and cluttering your house, cluttering your cupboards, and getting all these items when you're not even able to use it? Maybe there are a lot of people who are able to use them, but the way to live, the way to actually enjoy your life is to have minimal. Have the best items if you want, have whatever you like, but what happens with me is that when any of my crockery breaks, I'm very happy because that gives me an opportunity to buy a new one. But I have stopped cluttering. I have stopped putting extra items in my house because it's not good energy. Trust me, when there are a lot of things, you have a lot of decoration pieces, it becomes very difficult to do the dusting. When you have a lot of rugs, a lot of items, furniture, too many things, it becomes very difficult to clean. When you have a lot of clothes in your cupboard, there is lesser space. It occupies a lot of space and you don't even end up wearing those things. So live minimal, enjoy life, and if you want to spend on traveling. Why I say that is because when you're traveling, you might end up getting some souvenirs, yes, but when you're traveling, you're exploring the world, you're looking at the beauty of this world, you're appreciating what God has created for us. So spend on traveling, spend on charity, spend on other people, spend on food. Enjoy delicacies of the world, enjoy exquisite food, but do not clutter your house. Do not shop without thinking. Shop smartly, only buy what is required, and always ask yourself, do I really need this? Have a very nice evening. Allah Hafiz.